look at this beauty. Romeo our Romeo. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back today. Do y'all see this big box? OMG. Y'all, do y'all know what this is? Do y'all know what this is? This is SISER's 24-inch cutter Romeo. Romeo. Where's our author Romeo? Right here. Y'all, when I say I'm so excited, I am super duper excited. But y'all already know that. You guys, look at this thing. First and foremost, I have to shout out Heat Transfer Warehouse, Brooke, Kirk, Patrick from SISER. Y'all, SISER's right around the corner too. So I just got to put that out there. You guys, thank you so much. Because baby, it's about to get real over at Do Dream On, okay? Real lovey-dovey and dream-like, all right? Happily ever after over here. We changing and ending over these parts and Do Dream On, okay? So, let's get to unboxing. This will be strictly an unboxing video because I have to learn everything about this machine, and we are going to learn together. I got to download Leonardo Pro, everything. So we're going to figure all those things out. But for right now, let's unbox this thing, y'all. Let's go. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Ooh-wee. Looky. This is what it looks like. Let's get it out of here. So, we got it out the box, you guys. Look at SISER's Romeo 24-inch cutter, y'all. Okay, guys. So, let's go ahead and open this box as well. We can turn it around. You can see what it looks like. I slow motion this just for the dramatics. Y'all know I'm extra and y'all know I'm dramatic. And so the adventure begins. That's what it says right here. So, as soon as you open it up, this is what it looks like. And then it says, welcome to the future of making. Inside of here, we have the power supply, the power cord, and accessories, and it's the documentation. So this is the user manual, I'm assuming. So we're gonna place this right here. I feel like I need some music. Okay. This looks like some type of rolling tray, possibly. When I look at all the things, I'll know exactly what it is soon. Okay. Then it's nice and safely secured in here. Okay. So I'm going to carefully lift it up. Ugh. Oh, wait. Here's the mat. I carry this box up the stairs by myself too. Rip me up the plastic out the neck, brand new. Ooh, this thing is pretty. Oh, Romeo is pretty, y'all. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, y'all. So now it's in the plastic. It's so sleek and futuristic. Do y'all see this? It's beautiful. We are going to rip it out the plastic. Romeo is acting brand new. If you guys know the song reference, if you know, you know. Okay, you guys. So now it's out of the plastic. It looks so sleek and sophisticated and expensive and luxurious. I'm just so excited. So it's a couple things on here, and I don't know anything about this. So I am going to, of course, I'm thinking this all has to come out. Okay, so I'm going to take a look at the accessories and things, look at the user manual so I can make sure what I'm supposed to do. A new love story begins here. And then it's a QR code to set it up. Set up your cutter at setup.siser.com. Ready for the next chapter? And yes, I am. So I'm going to scan this so we can set that up. Go to that website. Here's the operation manual. Everything is just so sleek and luxurious and sophisticated. Okay, it's the overview, setup, touch screen, safety information, everything. Okay, so here's the cutting strip. This is called the machine head. This is called the tool holder, and I'll let you see it closer too. This is touch screen. They have grip marks, adjustable pinch rollers, power buttons, pinch roller levers, just a ton of different things which we'll dibble and dabble into. We have the power supply. Here is a USB cord that can connect the computer and a cutter. Okay. Okay. So inside of here we have a marker adapter. We have the blade housing. We have two 45-degree blades and one 60-degree blade. Okay. Here is the back of it. Okay. Okay, the first time ever turning it on. Y'all, I am crying laughing watching this. It's not funny, but look at my face. Oh my god, look at my face. I clearly should have watched some other people so that I could not be like this. I'm gonna explain what happened. So first, I didn't know if I was gonna keep that in there, but I had to keep it in there. I should have watched some other people unboxing so that I could have been prepared. Because I'm like, let me just unbox it, do everything brand new. You guys, these white, I don't know what they're called. These white squares that are inside of there, which I'm going to show in a minute, have to be taken out, or baby, I don't want you to mess up your machine. I do not want anybody for that to happen to them. Did y'all see my face? I was petrified. Anywho, you have to take them out. So we're going to get back to the unboxing, and I'm going to calmly show you how they're supposed to be taken out. But y'all, I'm literally crying laughing watching this because my face. Okay, let's just get back into the video. Okay, y'all, let's finish unboxing it. This is the roller bar lever. You have to unlock it like that. You have to press that down to unlock it so that we can take out these. You have to take these off before you turn it on. Okay? Or you'll scare yourself and look like this, y'all. Okay? So you take these off, and now we are going to turn it on. So let's turn it on. You guys, I was so scared right here. Look at the fear in my eyes. I'm like, did I break this machine? I was so scared. I'm sitting here like, is this what it's supposed to do? I was petrified. It's on, y'all. Y'all see it lit up? Ooh-wee. Okay, it says settings, cut settings, test cut, play, Wi-Fi, all those things. So let's go ahead. I'm going to turn it off. And we are going to insert these, okay? Okay, my mood might be a little bit different because I was still scared. So excuse me, because I was petrified. So I'm still trying to get through the video, you know, but I was like, oh my goodness. So what I'm doing here is inserting the blade, okay? So I put the blade inside of there. It's just like any other cutter that you probably have used. If you've never used a cutter, then you take the blade out. You take the little silicone thing off of the blade. The sharp part goes down, and then you put the blade inside of the blade housing, and it's like a magnet inside of there. So once you do that, this was really easy because you just slide it down, and it's like a screw that you just screw and tighten so that it can go in. And here's a closer look at it. Okay. So it's really nice and cute. And now I'm turning it on again, and we're going to see if it's right. So yeah, y'all, it does take just a little second for it to load, and there we go. It light up and it's ready to go. So yes, we got it on, we got it working. Let me just show you a few things up close. Look how cute that operation manual is. It's super cute. Look how beautiful Romeo is lit up. Here's the back again. Here's that lever. That's extremely important, you guys. You want to make sure you utilize that lever so you can take those things off. Okay, then that's the power cord in the back, USB, all of those things. Here is the mat that came with it. This is the 12 by 12 high-tech cutting mat. All right, I just wanted to show you a few things up close, and so you guys could see it. Yeah, we about to get this thing popping though. So excited. So I have not set it up, so I'm going to set it up. I just wanted to unbox it, show you it, and I'm just so excited about this. So let me go get all of the trinkets and everything together, and we will be back on a part 2. So stay tuned, because then we're going to do our first cuts and all those types of things. But once again, thank you so much. Heat Transfer Warehouse, Caesar, Brooke, Kirk, Patrick, everybody. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you guys. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram. Do Dream One is the handle. TikTok. Do Dream One is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. I love you, Romeo. Did you know that? I think you knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.